lot of times when me and Daddy Jack write songs, it's kind of a very similar process that we learn to trust over the years. Where it usually starts off like this. He's playing something, and I think it's a song I should know. So I want to sing along with him, and I'll say, what are you playing? He looks at me and he's like, nothing. And so I go, great, keep playing nothing. And I run and I grab a recorder, and we just leave it in the room and try to forget that's there. And usually in that time, something starts to take shape in the room, and we can feel it. It's like an energy that comes in. And we learn to trust that energy and not try to form it into something. And I think it's the beauty of us being independent, is we don't have to run it by some record label executive who's going to say, no, change it. We get to say, felt it here. And then we say, do you like it? And I think there's a powerful connection. The reason why we call it a soul-to-soul tour is when there's something that hits our soul, we get to give it to you and you feel the same way. There's an unfiltration process. So the way that I look at it, it's like soul food for music. And so when this song started to take shape, it sort of reminded us of the times where we had lost our path. And I don't know if you've ever lost your path before, but sometimes it can feel a little dark. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? And what we've noticed is the reason why we say it grows dark, and this is what I believe, is because we know there's a light inside of us. Even if it's not something that science has figured out, we know it's there.
Yeah.
And so as we unblue from that, there's this kind of like distortion. We go to a place that feels dark. But if you're lucky in this life, you might have someone that when you're in a dark place, they leave the light on, they leave the fire burning, they leave the door open. And if you have someone like that, treat them well. And so this is how that song starts. Looking down at these hands of mine, some scars I can't erase. I can't turn back the hands of time, and some memories just won't fade. There's a broken bone that comes back stronger when a broken heart can't beat no longer. There's a healing to the pain. I'm on my way home, so leave the light on for me. I'm on my way home. Leave the light on.